Welcome back to the channel. So this is the second unboxing of the Beijing Opera keyboard, but it's the first time I'm posting the unboxing on the channel because I had to reorder this keyboard after the original one stopped working. It's still the Cherry MX Black switches, and I replaced it because the Windows key didn't work, and the whole process took a month. My original keyboard came on August 27th, and this new one came today, Saturday, September 25th, 2021. I like that the new version is a lot smaller, and it looks like a regular keyboard compared to the first one I had, which was bulkier and was heavier. Thanks for watching.